Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Suresh and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School F8 Campus Islamabad. And today I am doing my TEDx talk and my topic is What Makes You Special by Mariana. So today I watched an inspiring TEDx talk titled "What Makes You Special" by Mariana, and it shared a powerful message about self-acceptance, confidence, and embarrassing and over uniqueness. In today's world, many people spend their lives trying to fit in. We compare ourselves to others, follow trends, and sometimes hide part of who we truly are because we fear being judged. Mariana challenges this mindset and reminds us that what makes us different is actually what makes us special. One of the most powerful lessons from this talk is that authenticity is more valuable than perfection. Society often tells us to change ourselves to be accepted, but true confidence comes when we embrace our background, experiences, strengths, and even our imperfections. The things that makes us unique are often the things that help us stand out and make a positive impact. Mariana shares her own journey and explains how she learned to stop trying to be like everyone else. Instead, she discovered the importance of being genuine and proud of her identity. Her story reminds us that success does not come from copying others, it comes from being the best version of ourselves. Watching this talk on the TED platform reminds us that everyone has a unique story worth sharing. Watch both the English and Urdu version help us connect with the message on a deeper level and understand that this lesson applies to people everywhere. My biggest takeaway from this talk is simple: you don't need to become someone else to succeed. Your experience, your perspective, and your journey and what make you valuable. So instead of asking, how can I fit in? Maybe we should ask, how can I be more myself? So in a world where people consistently compete for attention, authenticity has become rare. Yet, authenticity is exactly what people connect with. When you are genuine, you inspire trust, you inspire confidence, and you inspire others to be yourself. Mariana's message is not just about personal success, it's about creating a society where people feel comfortable being who they truly are. As we come to the end of this review, I want to leave you with an important thought. You do not need to become someone else to be valuable. You do not need to hide your story. You do not need to fit into every expectations created by society. Your uniqueness is not a weakness. It is your greatest strength. Before I end this review, I encourage everyone watching to take a moment and reflect on what makes you different. If you found this review meaningful, please watch both the English and Urdu version of this talk, share your thought, and remember that the moment you stop trying to be someone else is the moment you discover what makes you truly special. So, viewers, this is my TEDx talk review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.